Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, introduce me. I'm Harinsa. I will represent the group to present the result of our article entitled The Role of Habituation in Instilling Religious Values in Elementary Students. First of all, introduction. Building religious character is a crucial component in the world of education, which includes teaching moral and spiritual values that become the foundation for their daily action and behavior. In shaping the character and religious education of students, schools have an important role because they have various religious activities to instill religious values in students. This Anifa in 2017 stated that Islamic religious education really needs to be instilled in youth from an early age. Therefore, since children enter elementary school, religious activities need to be carried out at school. Strategies in implementing character education at school can be done in many ways, one of which is through the habituation method. The habituation method can also be interpreted as the process of repeating certain actions until they become a habit. Consistent habituation can help to shape religious character and high moral in students. The next is method. In this study, research used descriptive qualitative method by collecting data through interview, observation, and documentation and reviewing previous articles relevant to this research. The research subject in this article is SD Muhammadiyah 1 Gempol District. The entire school community is involved in this research subject. The result of this study only describes in-depth interviews that have been conducted on research subjects so as to provide a clear picture of the implementation of religious character education through the habituation method. Next is result and discussion. Based on the result of observation at SD Muhammadiyah 1 Gempol, it is correct to apply the habit of cultivating religious values towards students in accordance with the vision and mission of the school. Before carrying out learning activities, students and teachers carry out morning appeals by reading several short letters, Asmaul Husna and the Muhammadiyah Student Promise. This shows that SD Muhammadiyah 1 Gempol applies this to instill religious values in students. Teachers are the main role in instilling religious values at school. Therefore, our implementation of morning appeal activities is not only carried out by students, but also attended by the entire board of teachers. In addition, the support of parents in this activity is also very important, such as delivering students early so that students are not late and can take part in the morning appeal activities from start to finish. The last one, conclusion. Based on the discussion above, it can be concluded that SD Muhammadiyah 1 Gempol is successful in implementing habituation to increase religious values in students. Students also apply 5S towards teacher and school residents. The involvement of teacher and student guardian as well as the consistency of school residents in carrying out morning appeal activities can strengthen this habituation. In addition to instilling religious values in students, morning appeal activities also train students' language skill because when saying the Muhammadiyah Students Promise, students are accustomed to using different languages every day, such as Indonesian, English, Arabic, and local language. This proves that the habituation method is effective in instilling religious values in students. This strategy can also be a strong foundation in developing religious character education in elementary school. That's all my presentation. I hope it's useful for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.